Welcome back to Throttle Tribe. Motorcycles come and go, but only a select few earn a reputation for legendary reliability. These bikes aren't just built to ride for miles, they're built to ride for decades. From simple single-cylinder workhorses to rugged long-distance tourers, these are the 7 most reliable motorcycles of all time. Number 7. Ducati Sport Classic GT 1000. The Ducati Sport Classic GT 1000 isn't just a beautiful machine, it's a Ducati that defied the odds. While the brand is known for high-performance superbikes, often more associated with speed than durability, the GT 1000 proved Ducati could build a bike that lasts. At the heart of this retro-styled masterpiece is a 992cc, 66 cubic inch air-cooled L-twin engine, tuned for smooth, low-stress power delivery. Air cooling means fewer moving parts and electronics, which translates to fewer potential failures. The GT 1000's 6-speed transmission adds versatility, whether you're carving twisty back roads or cruising highways. With a top speed of around 125 miles per hour and 66 horsepower, it's quick but not overstressed, helping critical components go the distance. Its overbuilt tubular steel trellis frame, high-quality suspension, and Brembo brakes were chosen with longevity in mind, not just headline-grabbing specs. The engine's 57 lb-ft of torque focuses on usable low-end power, reducing internal stress and making maintenance straightforward. The result? A Ducati that owners trust to run strong for years, earning the GT 1000 its place among the most reliable motorcycles Ducati has ever produced. Number 6. Moto Guzzi Grezzo 1200. The Moto Guzzi Grezzo 1200 might not be the first bike that comes to mind when you think bulletproof, but this Italian cruiser tourer combo quietly earned its reputation as a long-lasting machine. At its core is a 1151cc, 70.2 cubic inch, transverse V-twin engine, tuned for low to mid-range torque and built to be understressed. The Grezzo avoids liquid cooling, instead relying on air and oil cooling to minimize parts and potential failure points. That simplicity is a cornerstone of its reliability. With 77 lb-ft of torque delivered low in the rev range, it pulls strong without ever feeling overworked. The shaft drive eliminates the constant maintenance of a chain and virtually removes the risk of chain failure. Yet the Grezzo is no slouch. It can reach around 130 miles per hour, proving rugged engineering doesn't have to mean sacrificing fun. Paired with quality suspension and a solid frame, the Grezzo 1200 has rightfully earned its place as one of Moto Guzzi's most enduring motorcycles. Do you own one of these rock-solid machines? Or is there another bike you swear by that never lets you down? Share your story in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more. Number 5. Triumph Thruxton 900. The Triumph Thruxton 900 proves that reliability and style can go hand in hand. Inspired by the legendary Thruxton endurance racers, this cafe racer is built to last. Its 865cc or 52.8 cubic inch air-cooled parallel twin engine prioritizes simplicity with fewer parts to fail. Many Thruxton engines surpass 100,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. With 53 pound-feet of torque available at low RPMs, it's both easy to ride and mechanically forgiving. Producing 69 horsepower and topping out around 115 miles per hour, it's quick enough to thrill, but not hard on its components. The steel cradle frame, sturdy suspension, and reliable braking system make this bike a package designed for the long haul. The Thruxton 900 blends classic styling with modern-day durability, making it one of Triumph's most beloved and dependable motorcycles. Number 4. Kawasaki Zephyr 1100. The Kawasaki Zephyr 1100 is proof that you don't need cutting-edge tech to create a motorcycle that will outlast trends in time. Designed in the spirit of the legendary Z1, the Zephyr is a no-nonsense machine built for endurance. Its air-cooled 1062cc or 64.2 cubic inch inline-4 engine is deliberately low-stressed, delivering smooth, accessible power without chasing sky-high RPMs. That translates to incredible longevity, with many Zephyr engines still running strong decades later. Producing 72 pound-feet of torque and 93 horsepower, it's well-suited for highway runs and backroad fun, with a top speed of about 125 miles per hour. Kawasaki reinforced the engine with a deep-skirt block and heavy-duty crankshaft, further boosting its durability. Carburetors rather than modern fuel injection make for easy old-school maintenance. With a tough steel frame, simple electrics, and a bulletproof engine, the Zephyr 1100 is a legend in reliability. Number 3, Yamaha SR400. The Yamaha SR400 defines reliable simplicity. Barely changed since its debut in the late 1970s, the SR400 stuck with what worked: a single-cylinder, air-cooled 399cc, 24.3 cubic inch engine. No liquid cooling, no complex electronics, just a kickstarter, a carburetor, and basic hand tools are all you need to keep it running. Producing 23 horsepower and 20 lb-ft of torque, it's no speed demon, topping out at about 85 mph, but it's perfect for everyday riding, city streets, and light touring. Its long-stroke engine delivers usable torque low in the rev range, minimizing wear and tear. A steel backbone frame and time-tested design make the SR400 a favorite among riders who value longevity over flash. This is the bike that just won't quit. Number 2, Suzuki Bandit 1250. The Suzuki Bandit 1250 might be the most underappreciated hero in motorcycling. Powered by a 1,255cc 76.3 cubic inch inline-4, derived from Suzuki's GSX-R engines but tuned for low-stress real-world power, it's become synonymous with indestructibility. Delivering 98 horsepower and 79 lb-ft of torque, the Bandit pulls effortlessly, without putting strain on internal components. With a top speed around 135 mph, it's capable, but owners value it more for its comfort and all-day rideability. Suzuki prioritized simple, proven tech fuel injection that just works, a robust cooling system, and low-maintenance brakes. The shaft drive further reduces upkeep, and valve adjustment intervals are famously generous. It's the kind of bike that people buy, ride for decades, and refuse to part with. Number 1. BMW K1300S. When BMW built the K1300S, they engineered it to conquer highways at speed, and last while doing it. The 1,293cc, 78.9 cubic inch, inline-4 is mounted longitudinally, reducing drivetrain stress and enhancing durability. With 174 horsepower and 103 lb-ft of torque, this sport touring beast handles like a sport bike but behaves like a touring machine, built for long distances without drama. The K1300S easily clears 100,000 miles with proper care, and its shaft drive system means less frequent maintenance compared to chain-driven rivals. BMW's duo-lever front suspension minimizes wear while delivering incredible stability under braking, while optional electronic suspension adjustment helps tailor the ride for any condition. From its bulletproof engine to its world-class comfort, the K1300S is a masterclass in how to build a high-performance bike that lasts. These 7 bikes earned their legendary status by simply refusing to quit. Did we miss a machine you'd trust with your life? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more top-tier motorcycle content. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.